What's going on, guys? In this one, we're talking about the DJI Ronin S. Hang around, hit that subscribe button, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, Art here, Off the Dome Media Group. It's been about 3 months since our last DJI release video. I guess it's time for another one. This time around, we're talking about the DJI Ronin S. The Ronin S is DJI's first attempt at a one-handed stabilizer for DSLRs and mirrorless cameras. DJI is throwing their hat into the ring at the time that the Zhiyun Crane 2, the FeiyuTech A2000, and the MOZA Air seem to have a firm grasp on the single-hand gimbal market. DJI is saying that the Ronin S combines advanced stabilization, precision control, and manual focus capabilities in a compact, single-handed form factor. One thing that I instantly love is that they've moved the camera above the roll axis. This means that we can look directly into the monitor of our camera, instead of looking over or around the motor to frame or get the shot. They're also saying that this new design helps with unwanted camera shake as you go from the underslung position to the upright position in one smooth motion. The Ronin S has what they're calling smooth track technology. This allows you to change from motion to camera angle effortlessly, according to DJI. There are 2 customizable parameter groups allowing you to save your favorite smooth track settings and allowing you to switch between them in one click. There's also a sport mode that DJI says intelligently increases responsiveness, allowing you to keep up with any movement. It can also easily be mounted to a RC buggy for low angle shots, or even act as a stabilized remote head when mounted to a jib. There's also a dedicated DJI focus command unit that can be mounted to the accessory dock, which would allow you to pull focus while you're using the standard handle. And what I'm looking forward to is that you can also attach the Ronin to a dual handlebar. In my opinion, for what it's worth, I'm personally very interested. The features sound great, but my questions are the same questions that you have. What's the battery life? What's the weight limit? What type of case does it come with? More importantly, what's the price? In true DJI form, we'll have to wait to the second quarter of 2018 to get the answers. Well, that's my rant for the day. Does the Ronin S pique your interest? Let me know in the comments section below. As always, subscribe, comment, like, follow, and share. Peace.